Waiting for the cupcakes and the cake pops cooking in here. And we have two clocks. We have this one going, and then we have that one. That one's actually cooking for the cake pops, the cupcakes, and this one's for the cake pops. So we have two different, helps us out when we're baking two different styles.
So here we have a digital timer for kitchens, workouts, and much more. So let's open it up. Outside the box, it comes with this charger. It's charging right now, but it tells you it's a red light, meaning that it's charging. The charger is a C-type charger, and to turn it on is very simple. You just have to push this up. It even has battery saving, so it's dimmer lights. It would last longer. So let's turn it on. And turning it on, it shows up bright green, telling you that it's ready to be used. And you can add hours up to 9 hours. You can add minutes up to 60 minutes. You can hold the button to make it faster, but it'll go all the way back to 59 minutes. You can have seconds, and that can go up to 59 seconds as well. And let's say you have a messed up timer. You could just clear it all with just one clear. So let's put a timer of 10 seconds. And to start it, you just press start. You can even change the vibration or sounds on the other side, as you can see. And it's very loud and clear, telling you that the timer is done. So let's say you don't want sound, you just want vibration. So let's move it down. And it would have no sound at all, just vibration. So as you can hear, it's very loud vibration as well. So on top of here, as you can see, you have hours, minutes, seconds, clear button, start, and stop buttons. To turn it on, you have to just push this up and it will turn on. You can have it on power saving as well, which could save more power. You can have it on vibration or sound. It even has magnets, so you can even place it on your fridge or even toaster. And to just simply charge it, you take it off your fridge, your hang wall, or even from the counter. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.